Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make peanut butter tasty. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of roasted peanuts, which are the foundation of great flavor. A small pinch of salt, perhaps 1/4 teaspoon, will really bring out the nutty notes. For a touch of sweetness, consider adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup. These simple additions make a big difference in the final product. Now let's get blending. Place your roasted peanuts into a sturdy food processor. Begin processing, and you'll notice the peanuts first turn into a coarse meal. Be patient and scrape down the sides of the bowl every 30 to 60 seconds. As you continue blending for about 5 to 10 minutes, the natural oils will release, transforming the mixture into a wonderfully smooth and creamy peanut butter. To elevate your peanut butter, consider some exciting flavor boosts. For a warm, comforting taste, try adding 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon or a splash of vanilla extract. If you're craving something decadent, stir in a handful of mini chocolate chips or 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. For an even creamier texture and a subtle tropical note, a tablespoon of coconut oil can be a fantastic addition. Once your delicious homemade peanut butter is ready, proper storage is key. Transfer it to a clean, airtight container, such as a glass jar. For optimal freshness, store it in the refrigerator, where it will stay good for about 2 to 3 weeks. Enjoy your tasty creation on a slice of warm toast, paired with apple slices, or as a delightful ingredient in your favorite smoothies and baked goods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.